Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air fryers for French fries that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ninja Foodi DZ550 air fryer. The best air fryer for French fries we've tested is the Ninja Foodi DZ550. This 10.1 quart dual basket air fryer makes great quality fried food. So whether you're making fries or another typically air fried snack like wings or veggies, the vast majority of each batch comes out crispy and golden brown. Of course, the results aren't perfectly even. It leaves a small amount of each batch undercooked and burns a couple of pieces too, but it's a smaller proportion than most other air fryers. This model's strong air frying performance is largely attributed to a few key factors. It has a high maximum power draw and top fan speed, which helps it deliver quick, crunchy results. The temperature doesn't fluctuate much, either, which helps it cook more evenly. Plus, this air fryer includes a couple of handy additions. There are a few cooking presets, so you can start baking, reheating, or broiling with just the press of a button. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Ninja Foodi DZ071 air fryer. The Ninja Foodi DZ071 is a 7.1 quart air fryer from the same lineup as the Ninja Foodi DZ550. And if you're looking to make crispy French fries at a mid-range price point, it's tough to beat. Although it can match its pricier siblings' frying quality, this air fryer cooks quite evenly, leaving most of each batch of fries crispy and well cooked. Similarly, it cooks fast, but not as fast as the DZ550, so you'll have to wait an extra minute or so until your fries are finished. Unsurprisingly, factors similar to those of our top pick also contribute to this model's success. It has a high maximum fan speed and a high maximum power draw, plus plenty of surface area in its basket, which helps it cook quickly and evenly. What sets this air fryer apart is its convertible basket. You can divide the basket to cook a main and a side of fries, and use Ninja's Smart Finish feature to finish cooking them simultaneously, or remove the divider to make one large batch. At number 3, we have the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer. The best air fryer for fries we've tested at a budget-friendly price is the Cosori TurboBlaze, a powerful 6.3 quart model that delivers impressive performance. It cooks a bit more evenly than the Ninja Pro AF 141, so each batch of fries or onion rings comes out evenly cooked and crispy, with only a small handful left undercooked or burnt. And while it takes an extra minute to preheat, it cooks faster, so you won't have to wait long for results. Inside its basket, you'll find more space than most air fryers with a similar capacity. This allows you to spread food out for better airflow and, ultimately, better results. Its top fan speed is actually a little too fast for optimal performance, as the air passing over the heating element moves too quickly to heat up properly, leading to temperature fluctuations. Luckily, Cosori lists the fan speed for each setting, so it's fairly easy to experiment and find the right setting for your recipe. At number 2, we have the Ninja Crispi Pro 6-in-1 glass air fryer. The best glass air fryer we've tested for making crispy, evenly cooked French fries is the Ninja Crispi Pro AS 101. It has a unique design with swappable glass cooking chambers, 6 quart and 2.5 quart, that also serve as storage, so you can store leftovers without making extra dishes. Using the 6 quart container, it provides very good frying quality. By the time it finishes cooking fries and other air-fried snacks, most of each batch is crispy and golden brown, while just a few pieces wind up mushy or burnt. Although this air fryer has a smaller surface area than similar capacity options, it still provides a reasonable amount of space to arrange food in a single layer for crispier results. Its high maximum fan speed and high maximum power draw both contribute to producing optimal results, while the lower end of the temperature and fan speed ranges also make it exceptionally versatile. And finally, at number 1, we have the Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer. If you're looking for the best way to make large batches of fries, consider the Typhur Dome 2. While its 5.7 quart capacity might not seem like much, this model's wide design provides plenty of surface area. In fact, it has significantly more cooking surface area than the 10-quart Ninja Foodi DZ550. Since it's so roomy, we decided to test it with our typical batch of fries and a double batch. With the regular batch, the Typhur produced very good quality fries in a decent amount of time, with nearly 80% turning out crispy. This air fryer also offers impressive versatility, featuring a wide range of temperature settings. Although its top fan speed isn't very fast, its minimum fan speed is lower than that of most other air fryers. This makes it a great choice if you want an option that can make crispy fries, dehydrate fruit, and proof dough. Unfortunately, it takes a while to preheat and reheat after adding food to the drawer, which compromises temperature stability and makes it slightly harder to follow recipes closely. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.